Today I'm going to teach you how to change the default email font in Thunderbird. This is a great way to personalize your emails and ensure your messages always have the look and feel you want, without having to manually format every single email you send. First, go ahead and open your Thunderbird application. Once it's up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a menu icon there, typically represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on that menu icon, and from the drop-down that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can customize various aspects of Thunderbird to suit your preferences. Now that you're in the settings, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see a list of different categories and options. From this list, click on Composition. The Composition section is where you control how your emails are formatted and styled by default, which is exactly what we need to adjust the font settings. Within the Composition settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled HTML Style. This is the key area for customizing the appearance of your emails when you're composing them in HTML format. Right under HTML Style, you'll notice an option called Font. This is where the magic happens. Beside the font label, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down menu and you'll be presented with a list of available fonts installed on your system. Browse through the options and choose the font that you'd like to use as your default. This could be anything from a classic serif font to a more modern sans serif style, depending on your personal preference or professional needs. But it doesn't stop there. Below the font selection, you'll also find additional customization options. You can adjust the size of the font to make your text larger or smaller depending on readability and style. There are also options to change the text color, allowing you to set a default color for your email text if you prefer something other than the standard black. Additionally, you can modify the background color, which can be useful if you want to add a subtle tint or shade to your emails by default. And that's it. You've successfully changed the default email font in Thunderbird. Now, every time you compose a new email, it will automatically use the font, size, and colors you've just configured, saving you time and ensuring consistency across all your messages. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.